guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mansa Arcot. As you guys saw the title of the video, I'm going to show how to do COVID test at home in UK and how to drop it in our drop boxes. There are various ways you can drop the COVID test kits. Some of them use post boxes and some of them have drop boxes like me. So I had to drop it in a drop box. So I'll be showing the whole process. So I would like you guys to stick together until the end. Do not skip the video and do not forget to subscribe the video, guys. I'm gonna show more such content. Yeah, without any further ado, let's get started.
So let's open the kit. Now after opening the kit, this is what I received in it. I had a empty box. This one was a few disposal bags which are sealed well, and this is the liquid in which we have to put the knob. This is the knob which you guys have to put it in your nostrils or the throat. It has to touch the tonsils, guys. Let me do this process behind the camera, guys, as it's really embarrassing. I'm done with taking the sample from my nostrils and my throat. Place the knob into the container which has liquid in it and break that tip and just close it. Place that into this white box which is transparent. And follow the instructions which your COVID testing organization or firm is giving in your instructions manual. I'm done with packing all of these. And place everything into the box and drop it at your drop box, or you can post it through Royal Mail. I headed towards the drop box where I have to drop my COVID test kit. It's a 3 minutes walk and I finally reached the drop box. This is the drop box where I have to drop my COVID test kit.
So that's how you drop your COVID test box. It can either be a post box or a drop box like this. So this is how you do a Randox health testing kit. It is all the kits are almost the same. You have to just follow the procedure and read the manual which they provide you. So just go along and read the manual and do as it says. And you have to register, guys. Once you take your swab, do not forget to register, because if you don't register, you will not get your test result. So it's really mandatory to register yourselves after taking your swab test. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, or if you have any requests or comments or any questions, you just post that in comment section below. I'll answer each one of them. And yeah, until then, bye bye.